Are you tired of feeling stuck? Do you yearn for a life filled with adventure, growth, and fulfillment? Well, my friend, get ready because I'm about to reveal how you can transform your life in just 1 year. Imagine a life where you wake up every morning filled with purpose and enthusiasm, eager to tackle new challenges and achieve your wildest dreams. It may sound too good to be true, but let me assure you, it's entirely possible. Throughout history, great minds and inspiring figures have shown us that radical transformations are within reach for anyone willing to dedicate themselves to change. Now, I'm not saying it will be easy, but trust me, it will be worth it. To kickstart your incredible journey of personal transformation, let's break it down into 4 powerful steps. Set your goals, create your action plan, embrace challenges, and never stop learning. Step 1. Set your goals. Take a moment to envision the life you desire. What career would bring you ultimate fulfillment? What dreams would you like to turn into reality? Write it all down, my friend, because these goals will become your driving force. Step 2. Create your action plan. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable tasks. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your transformation won't happen overnight. But with a clear roadmap, you'll be sure to stay on track. Step 3. Embrace challenges. Life is full of obstacles and setbacks, but it's how we respond to them that truly defines our journey. Embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth and learn from them. Trust me, you'll emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Step 4. Never stop learning. Transforming your life isn't just about external changes, but also about the growth that happens within. Dedicate time to expand your knowledge, explore new subjects, and develop new skills. The more you invest in yourself, the more abundant your transformation will be. And there you have it, my friend. By following these 4 transformative steps over the course of just 1 year, you'll witness a remarkable shift in your life. You'll become the architect of your own destiny, living a life that brings you joy, purpose, and fulfillment. So, are you ready to take the leap? It's time to transform your life in just 1 year, starting today. Remember, the power to change is within you. Believe, take action, and never give up. Your incredible journey awaits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and self-improvement.